Welcome to Everybody Linux. This is Paolo, and today I want to speak about how to move your name server from your account where you bought your domain, to Linode, that is a cloud hosting provider, very useful and very flexible. It will give you a lot of flexibility if you want to, for example, create subdomains, and that's what, for example, this video is related to. So I want to show you how to create a subdomain by using your domain and Linode. So let's start. So I have bought my domain on this website called godaddy.com. It's a domain provider, and yeah, so basically this is the account, my account of GoDaddy, and here I have my domain. It is paolobergomi.com. Here I have the name servers of Linode. So basically what you have to do, guys, is to change the name servers here and add the Linode name servers. This one I have found it. This list of name server, I found it on the Linode dashboard in my account. So let's go to Linode, and I'll show you now, and how to find the domain name server of Linode that you have to set basically here. Of course, they will ask you a permission, because otherwise everybody can do everything without permission for any website. Of course, you need to verify that you are owning this website, and they will ask you a permission. Okay, so you will enter some password and your details of GoDaddy. You'll find it there where you is your name. So well, let's go to Linode. I show you how to do, guys. I already create two subdomains, and so basically to create a subdomain, you need to go to domain, and I already create my domain here with Linode. So to create a domain, you basically click on create domain. Here you put, like I did before, paolobergomi.com or paolobergomi.net, whatever you want, or your your name, your website, if it's .net or .org, .biz, whatever you want, you have. And then here you put your email address. It is mandatory. Then you create it here. It will highlight create those domains. But I already did it, so let's go to create the subdomain. The subdomain, guys, here, what I mean is, for example, you want to have, I don't know, a language version of your main domain. Instead of paolobergomi.com, can be it.paolobergomi.com if it's Italian, or es.paolobergomi.com if it's in Spanish. And for example, let's say that today I want to create another subdomain. So let's click on my domain. As you see, guys, here I have the NS name server I have entered in this panel here. Okay, that's where I found it. I got that. I have retrieved this name server from here. So, and I from here, and then I have copy and pasted in my GoDaddy account. So that's why I can manage my website here. So let's create a subdomain. Okay, so to create a subdomain for any, let's say, for example, in my case, because I want languages subdomain. So let's say that I already created, as I say, ES and ET, Spanish and Italian version. I just simply click on A/AAAA record. A is for IPv4, and then you can also, if you have the IPv6, you can add the IPv6. I have the IPv4, so I will enter the host name here. The host name is simply the first part of your sudo that will distinguish from the main domain. So in my case, for example, I have already Spanish, and let's say that I want to create a French version of my website. I do fr here without dot. Here I put the IP address that is, yeah, that I have it here. The IP address, yes. And yeah, so basically this is the IP address. TTL, you leave it in default. You click on save, and here you have your fr, your subdomain called fr. Then you can also modify from here with edit. And okay, so that's very easy and simple, guys, really. And that's the first part of a series of video tutorials that we'll want to dedicate to. This is the easiest one, and how to create a subdomain in Linode. Okay, so I hope this is useful for you. If you want to get more information, you just simply click on help support, and you type your search here, for example, subdomain, and it will give you use Subdomain Linode community site. You will have a lot of resources here from both the community and from the guides and tutorial here. So this is a very useful search tool. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you want. It will help me to grow. And thank you again, guys. And let's see in the second part of this video tutorial series when I will speak about how to configure on WordPress. Thank you, and see you in next video.